shout out to Wesley.
Huge shout out to Wesley Virgin.
Wesley, thank you.
Hi, this is Anna Enka. This is a big shout out to my friend Wesley. You gotta listen to this guy. He will change your life.
5 years ago, I was making $8 an hour. I sent him a message very quickly. I said, yo, Wes, teach me, please. Now I'm the CEO of a virtual agency that grosses $75,000 per month. I live in the American dream, and it's all because of what I learned from Wes.
Shout out to Wesley, $1 Million Virgin, for changing something that I never knew was wrong with me. I lost both parents this year. I was pretty much at ground zero. I ran into Wesley, and within days, I started changing my mindset, changing my thought, and now I'm at the point where I'm in a car that I never thought I'll be in. Check this out here, guys. This is my new M4 here. Just purchased it here. I'm making thousands of dollars a month.
Wesley's done a fantastic job in becoming very strong in marketing on digital. Wesley, keep up the great work and keep helping people.
Hi, Wesley Virgin. This is a shout out to you. Wes, you are helloing a ton of people, changing their mindset to live their dreams. Keep changing the world for the better.
I was 12 grand in debt, personal credit card debt. Now I'm a lot more confident. I'm feeling a lot more strong. And more importantly, I don't work at the car sales lot anymore.
I'm not paid to say anything that I'm about to say. I'm just a regular Joe who used to make $17 an hour, and now I make over $35,000 a month. Just recently, after I physically met Wesley, I now have 2 extra revenue streams of income. And in less than a year, my life has changed. My family's life has changed. And I would love to say thank you so much, Wesley Virgin.
Huge shout going out to Wes for being a marketing genius and a master influencer. So nothing but respect for Ice-T, nothing but respect for you, Wes, and continue to help people get themselves together so they can eliminate the limit.
These overnight mind hacks are powerful. I'm only 17 years old and I manifested a new Jaguar. Brad from Arizona, age 17.
I am blessed, baby. I am blessed. Look at all this. That is blessings. Look at this right here. Jaguar keys at 17, baby.
For all y'all out there, Wesley has changed my life at 17. All praises to the Most High, baby. I am manifesting my reality.
47-year-old alcoholic changes his life and finances in weeks. Michael from North Carolina, age 47.
It's Michael, $1 Million Hope. I was to a point where I just thought, this is it. I'm never going to go any further. And by the grace of God, I came across Wesley Virgin. It was the best thing that ever happened to me. And it just changed my life. It's so hard to explain how it affected my life. I am now healthier. I am wealthier. I am stronger. I am bold. I am courageous.
Jacob from Texas, age 39.
Hey everyone, I wanted to shoot this quick video testimony from Mr. Wesley, $1 Billion Virgin. Thank you so much for your training. This program has helped me reshift my reality. And because of this training, I created a new business that's creating passive daily residual income for me and my family. So I'm super excited. I want to thank you so much for your training. Thank you, and I'll see you at $1 billion.
These people made a decision, and they're on their way to wealth. Now it's time for you to stop wasting your time listening to broke people and start implanting the thoughts of self-made millionaires directly into your brain. If I can do it, anyone can. I still remember the tears of joy running down my face when I think back about the smart decision I made for my 2 children to eventually become a multimillionaire. And it absolutely is a decision, one that you can make for yourself right now. But let me warn you of something. This is not for everybody, and it might not be for you. Remember this: everything on the planet happens for a distinct reason. Birth from your deep intention or desire that got you started and here in the first place. If you're ready to get started, click the button and take it today. I believe you are destined for greatness. The only thing holding you back from your highest potential is fear of survival, fear of not having enough money. Once you solve that, you can do anything. You can be a light for your family. You can bring joy to others. You can realize all your deepest dreams. You can impact people in your family, community, and planet in ways you never dreamed possible. So what are you waiting for? Stop playing small. Join me in the big leagues. Let's change the world together. This is Wes Virgin signing off. and I'll see you inside the program. But before you decide to get started, remember these words. In life, you don't get what you want, you get what you picture. Let's go.
Hi guys, my name is Anae. This is my brand new Lexus RS 350 that I just got. Giving my testimony to Wesley Virgin because he had changed my life. On my birthday this year, he appeared on my Facebook. Before Wesley, I was depressed, I was broke, I was sad, I was fat. Then I pray God and I say I want better for my son. I have a baby. I'm making thousands of dollars a month on online marketing and I lost weight. I'm happier. I meditate every day. Wesley really wants you to win and he'll help you. He'll support you through that. You have to believe and you have to take action. Please believe Wesley is the real deal. He will change your life.